The Etrusco CV 540DB is a compact van for 2 people. With a width of 205, a height of 270, and a length of 541 centimeters, this motorhome offers ample space in a compact size. Inside, this stylish camper van offers a seating area for up to 4 people. Directly by the sliding door, you'll find the 84-liter fridge with reversible door hinges. Behind the seating area is the toilet room with sink, toilet, storage cabinets, and shower. Opposite, you'll find the practical kitchen block with a 2-burner gas stove and a sink. In the rear, there's a cozy transverse bed measuring 195 by 130 centimeters. The fresh water tank has a volume of 100 liters, and the wastewater tank holds 90 liters.